Welcome back to Longevity Insights. So I'm here to tell you a short story of why I decided to explore anti-aging hacks and share them on YouTube. I watched people I love fade before their time, too many lives cut short, battling chronic illness, parents, friends, partners, colleagues. They got close to retirement only to spend those years suffering. It broke my heart. And it made me ask, does it really have to be this way? I'm not just chasing more years, I'm chasing healthier ones. And once I started digging, I was floored. Regenerative medicine is changing everything. But if those breakthroughs exist, why aren't we hearing about them? This is a pattern we've seen before, first with manufacturing. We gave it away for cheaper prices and now we're paying the cost. Now it's happening in healthcare. Systems we count on, from insurance to food, are built for profit, not prevention. They don't benefit when we stay healthy. Most of our food companies have been bought out by big tobacco, and we already know how honest they were about cigarettes. The truth is, we can't just trust the system to look out for us. We must do our own research.
Because this time it is not our factories that are failing, it's our health. That's why we're here, to give you just enough knowledge to inspire you to go deeper, to question what you've been told. Arm yourself with knowledge. Join the conversation by subscribing. Longevity Insights, because knowledge is your best prescription.